Now, laundry is more than just detergent or boosters, right? So, I want to share four amazing Norwex laundry room essentials that really make my life easier, the laundry room safer, and a much more efficient system to save me time, money, and the environment. So, the first thing is the Norwex Lint Mitt. I'm obsessed with this. So, it's a compact, reusable solution for lint, pet hair, and dust. No more disposable rollers or those sticky sheets. Yeah, they can add up really quickly, right? So no more disposable lint rollers or even those sticky sheets. This is easy. You simply glide the mitt over your clothes or upholstery like your couches, fabric surfaces. If you have a cat that likes to lay on a fabric surface like a dining room chair, you can use this to remove all that pet hair, remove it off the upholstery in your car. Any fuzz, unwanted debris, takes it right off. It's lightweight, portable, and really great for touch-ups on the go. I personally like keeping an extra one of these in my car so I never show up covered in pet hair. Now, I have a very fluffy white husky, and the struggle's real. If you've ever had a fluffy dog, you know what I'm talking about. So this just makes it easy to stay tidy, to keep myself tidy, right, while I'm on the go. And because it's reusable, it's better for the planet and, of course, our environment. The one I have in my car, I've had for about 10 years. I got as a Christmas gift years and years ago, and I didn't even know it was Norwex. The next thing I really like to have handy in the laundry room is Odor Eliminator. This is a concentrate, so you don't use it directly from the bottle. It is an enzyme-powered product that removes tough odors at their source. So it actually comes in and breaks down the odors instead of masking them. You can use it in your laundry, on carpets, garbage cans, teenager bedrooms, pet beds, you name it. You can even just spray it in the air for freshness. A customer of mine, her son bought an apartment, and the previous owner was a smoker. They couldn't get the smell out, and this did the trick for them. Now for laundry, you just want to use a cap full of this in your wash. I like to put it in the fabric softener compartment, and it gives you fresh smelling clothes. It breaks down any of those odors. For the air or for surfaces, you're going to dilute this in a spray bottle of water and spray it around as you need to. If we cook fish one night, my oldest son is allergic to fish, and that smell really bothers him, I'll spray this right down into the trash can. It's free of harmful chemicals like the phthalates. It has a biodegradable formula. It's safe for your family. It's gentle for the environment. And it comes in a crisp linen scent for a light, refreshing aroma that does not aggravate allergies or even cause any issues for the most sensitive person in the home. Now, next up is our Fluff and Tumble dryer balls. These are great. So this is one set. I have two sets in my dryer right now, so that's 6 balls. And I use these instead of single-use dryer sheets. They're made from 100% New Zealand wool. They are a natural wonder at softening your fabrics. They reduce the drying time because they help fluff and tumble the clothes inside the dryer. And it also minimizes static without any of those nasty chemicals. And I have a tip for you. No. Each set lasts for over 1,000 loads, saving us time and reducing waste. When you use them, be sure to switch from your automatic settings like cottons or permanent press to a manual timed setting. You're going to find that when you use these, drying is much faster, and you're just not going to need as much time in the dryer, which is awesome for our wallet. Plus, you're not going to have any big issues with wrinkles because these are fluffing and tumbling everything as the drying cycle goes, which saves us a lot of time ironing. So I got a tip for you. Laundry static is actually caused from over drying. So anytime we can reduce the drying time and lower that heat, it's going to help tremendously to prevent static. when clothes or fabrics remain in the dryer when they're already dry and they keep rubbing against each other, that's when that static is created. Now, something else I like to do is add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to one of the dryer balls at the end of the drying cycle, and this gives your laundry a natural scent. Your clothes stay soft, fresh, it's chemical free. I'm obsessed with these, but do not let your dog get a hold of them. Okay, last up is the magnet ball. This is a really innovative tool, and it has a 210 Gauss magnet on the inside. And what it does is it softens the water. It pulls any calcium and lime scale buildup to the center of the ball, removing it from the water, which creates a really soft water environment, which also reduces the need for detergent by about 70%. So when you have one of these, you want to cut way back on your detergent. You place this in a top loading washer. You can even use it in your dishwasher. It will extend the life of your appliances because there's going to be less buildup, also less detergent usage. Now, this is not recommended for front loading washers due to the design. Honestly, I've had mine for many, many years. So regardless of what's on the packaging instructions of any detergent I use, when I have this in there, I reduce it by at least 50%. For the dishwasher, you want to place this on the top rack. I've had my magnet balls for many, many years, and they pretty much just stay in the machines. I don't even pull them out. Occasionally, I will pull them out and I will use an Enviro cloth and run it through the center to remove any debris that's accumulated, or I will soak them in hot water in one of the Norwex laundry detergents to get rid of any buildup that's inside of here. So here's why using some of these great items makes sense for me. There are 1,100 loads of laundry that starts every single second in North America. And most people use way too much detergent, which gets in our waterways, right? Dryer sheets release volatile organic compounds into the air, contributing to indoor air pollution, which according to the EPA is anywhere from 5 to 50 times greater than the air outside. The average family uses 300 single-use dryer sheets every year, which adds to landfill waste and unnecessary expense to our pocketbook, right? These little guys will save you from that. So here's a recap and how some of these Norwex laundry essentials can really simplify your routine. So we have the Lint Mitt. It's compact and reusable, really great for my pet owners because of all the hair, right? The Odor Eliminator. This freshens your laundry and your home with powerful plant-based enzymes, so it's free from all the synthetic dyes and fragrances, which we don't need in our homes. The Fluff and Tumble dryer balls. They are your natural fabric softener. They reduce your drying time, which also cuts down on the amount of electrical usage in your home, which is fantastic for the water or the electric bill, right? And the magnet ball is fantastic too. It saves detergent by a minimum of 50%. It also protects appliances from that hard water buildup. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed learning about these little essentials that have honestly made my routines a lot easier. Please let me know if you have any questions, drop them below, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.